Hey, what's up, my friend? All right, I'm willing to actually give you $10. I will pay you $10 to try out this program. Now, it is going to cost you $4, but I'll pay $10. Here's what I mean by that. So the very first package with ClickBaitPays is $13 plus a one-time $1 activation fee for that level. You can see here that the ad campaign is $13, and then to activate that level, it's $1 one time. That's $14. I'm willing to give you $10. All right. Why? Because I believe this is awesome. It's really cool. It's going to show you how simple it is. Number one, they're going to pay you everyday crypto. You could see some numbers here. I've just been getting started myself. I'm actually excited because my level 3 campaign right here is in the 5-day hold. I have another level 3 campaign running, and I've got these funds here that once they clear in 5 days, combined with the available balance, I'm actually going to be getting my very first level 4 campaign. Super excited about that. But what I'm willing to do for you, because I want you to be able to see how this works, see for yourself. Not only are you going to be getting clicks and traffic getting delivered to your website, whatever website you want, because that's what you're actually paying for, is the ad campaign where people are going to be going to your website, but you're also going to be earning income. You're also going to be getting paid to click on the ads of other people, and it can grow exponentially. So how do we do this? How do we get you set up? How do you get the $10 from me? Very simple. Follow these instructions. Number one, you've got to go create your account, which is completely free. Just go to the link that is on this video or in the description of this video, and that will allow for you to create your free account with me as your enroller. And that's step one. Step two is you need to go fund your account. You're going to go right over here to deposit, and you're going to have to deposit at least $4 because I'm going to give you 10, but you need $4 more. You got to have a little skin in the game, right? Put $4 in your account. As soon as you do that, that's step two, deposit at least $4 into your account. Your available balance will say $4. Then step three, message me. You can email me. Here's my email address. You can go to my Facebook and send me a message on Facebook. Here's my Facebook. And send me a screenshot that you've deposited your $4. I will then send you 10, which will then increase your balance to 14, and you will then be able to go in and purchase your level 1 campaign so you can see how fun and how cool and how simple this program really is. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Send me an email, message me on Facebook. Let's do this.